You close the final support ticket of the night. The blue light of the monitor illuminates your tired face. The office is completely empty. It's 2:14 in the morning. You rub your eyes after 14 straight hours of staring at screens. All you hear is the hum of distant servers and the occasional rattle of an air vent. You reach for your cold coffee ready to leave, but before you can touch the mug, a heavy hand suddenly slams onto your desk. You look up and see a stranger standing in your cubicle. He is soaked from the rain, shivering and constantly scanning the empty office. The stranger reaches into his coat and reveals a pistol. The cold metal touches your monitor. Your quiet world of password resets and software updates suddenly falls apart. The stranger forces you back into your chair. The stranger places a crumpled piece of paper on the desk and demands that a dangerous problem be solved immediately. You explain that you only work the help desk. You fix printers, troubleshoot software, and help employees with everyday technical problems. The stranger doesn't care. The threat is clear. Solve the problem or face the consequences. With trembling hands, you turn back toward the glowing monitor, realizing that your life is about to change forever. Time seems to slow down. The office is silent except for the hum of electronics. Every second feels heavier than the last as you stare at the glowing screen. Sweat forms on your forehead. Your thoughts race between fear, survival, and the possibility that this night may be your last. Minutes pass like hours. The tension inside the cubicle becomes unbearable. Neither of you speaks. Finally, the stranger seems satisfied. He reaches into his jacket and places something small and metallic onto the desk. Without another word, the stranger backs away into the darkness of the office floor and disappears from sight.
A heavy fire door slams somewhere in the stairwell. Suddenly, you are alone again. You pick up the mysterious drive and stare at it. Questions race through your mind, but curiosity wins. The value attached to the drive is far beyond anything you expected. For a moment, you simply stare in disbelief. Part of you wants to report everything. Another part remembers the stranger's cold eyes and the danger that followed him into the office. In the end, fear and desperation win. You leave the office carrying a secret that will change the course of your life forever. 3 nights pass. At 2 o'clock in the morning, your encrypted messaging app suddenly chimes. An anonymous message appears on the screen. The sender is unknown. The message is brief, mysterious, and unsettling. Someone knows exactly who you are. You hesitate. Every instinct tells you to walk away. Delete everything. Forget the entire experience ever happened. But then you remember the overdue bills, the student loans, and the growing pressure that never seems to disappear. Against your better judgment, you answer the message. One decision leads to another, and soon the work begins again. More messages arrive. More clients appear. The requests become stranger, and the payments become larger. Word spreads through hidden circles. People you've never met somehow know your reputation. Some clients seem dangerous, others seem desperate. Many appear trapped in situations they cannot escape on their own. You convince yourself that you're helping people. It becomes easier to justify each decision than the one before. Months pass. The money grows, the equipment grows, and for the first time in your life, you begin to feel powerful. That is your first mistake. One ordinary Thursday night, after finishing another late job, you step outside in search of food. The city streets are nearly empty. You notice a black van too late. The side doors slide open. Before you can react, strangers move toward you with terrifying speed. The world becomes chaos. Within seconds, you are captured and taken away into the darkness. After a long journey, you arrive somewhere deep underground. The air feels cold, artificial, and strangely sterile. When the covering is removed from your head, you find yourself surrounded by endless rows of powerful servers. A man in a perfect grey suit steps forward. Calm, confident, and completely emotionless, he seems to know everything about you. The suit explains that your talents have attracted attention. He believes you are capable of far more than your ordinary life ever allowed. Hours pass. The pressure never stops. Every decision feels heavier than the last as you realize there may be no escape. Then the truth becomes clear. The facility doors close behind you. The world outside is suddenly farther away than ever before. You thought you were in control. You thought you were making your own choices. But standing inside a fortress of machines, surrounded by endless blinking servers, you finally understand the truth. You spent your life connecting people to the internet. Now, you are permanently disconnected from the real world.